Hey, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, happy weekend, whatever it is. TGIF. So looking at Tesla today, this is one of the stocks on our active trade list where I'm giving you the entry, the stops, raising your stops, the exit, the rationale, all of that. So I'm hoping that if you haven't, if you're not a stock market mentor member, give it a try. People are really getting a lot of benefit from this because it's not just throwing out stocks there and hoping something sticks. It's really a rationale for the entire trade, and they're all doing pretty well. So one of them, and it's not even the best one, but one of the trades is Tesla here. So I'm showing you all the different entries. But what I like about this, like today, why I decided to come back to this for my fits and five, is because this is starting to look like it's going parabolic, okay? Broke out here above the 50 back in September, and then it just kind of drifted sideways for a while, okay? So it's been going, it's been kind of climbing along the upper Bollinger Band, and then today it just really kind of squirted out to the upside. They report earnings on the 20th, okay? That's 5 days from now. That's on Wednesday. And the way this thing's going, and it had above average volume today, do you really see anybody deciding that they're going to sell their Tesla before earnings? Because I don't. I just really don't think that you're going to see a lot of folks rushing to sell this stock before earnings. And so what I'm liking about it is I look at the weekly chart. I got a lot of lines here. I look at the weekly chart, and this thing looks like it's coming out of a big, long base here that's close to a year. You know, it's 9 months, which is 3 months shy of a year. Bet you didn't know that. And so this is really the move that I'm looking for. Now, I don't know where it's going to be next Wednesday, but I can just about guarantee, as much as you could in trading, that the stock's going to be above 845. My short-term WAG on this, which is stands for Wild Ass Guess, for this would be 900. I really feel like in 3 days we could see this stock go up another $50. When you think about it, that's only another 5.5%. This could totally do that. It ran 3.5 or 3.3% just today. So I'm looking literally for a short-term price target of $900 before they report earnings. Now, depending on what they say, as I look at the options market, I will look at it now. As I look at the options market is implying a $60 move one way or another. So it could be up from 845 up $60 to about 905, or it could be down $60 to about what is that? About 785, something like that. So that's really a big range that this thing could be moving in. But between now and earnings, I'm looking for more upside. So anyway, that's all I got for you on this. Hope again you join Stock Market Mentor, and also my little, I guess, well, he's not little, my protege, my sidekick. If I'm Batman, he's Robin. Scott McGregor is teaching a swing trading class tomorrow, and it's really, really good. You get a discount if you're a member, like a $200 discount. You don't even have to be anything other than a trial member. So anyway, check that out. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm going to be there too, so it should be a good course. All right, have a good evening. I'll see some of you tomorrow.